Thank you for joining this meditation today. Make yourself comfortable by sitting upright or lying flat. Let's begin by becoming aware of the in and out breath by your natural breath. This meditation will be helping you to align your stomach area, your heart area, and your head. Your stomach being the area of action, your heart being the area of your emotions, and your head is the area of your thought process. So there's three bodies: action, emotion, and thought. Today's meditation is a guided meditation, so slowly and carefully and quietly close your eyes. The in and out breath is natural. And let us begin with the visualization of a white golden egg. And that white golden egg is surrounding your entire body. The pointed part, the rounded pointed part, is facing down, and the upper part of the egg, the upper larger part of the egg, is roughly around your chest and head area. You're seeing this golden white egg, and it becomes brighter and more luminescent with each inhale. And you let go of the breath through the outhale. And again, this golden white egg through each inhale becomes more vibrant and full of life energy. And the exhale, you let go and release the breath, yet you keep and hold the energy of the golden white egg. Now, keeping your focus soft around the golden white egg, bring your inner awareness, your inner eye, to your stomach area. And in the stomach area, you see a blue sun. A sun that is emanating and getting brighter and larger with each inhale. And again, you let go of the breath, but keep the energy of the sun. This blue, sky blue sun in your stomach, abdomen area. Inhaling. This is where we take action. This is where the will of our humanness exists. It's very essential to strengthen this area of the physical body. And again, a nice full inhale, expanding that blue sun, and exhaling, the breath, but keeping the energy, your strong will. Now moving your awareness to the heart area. And in this area, in an inhale, imagine and feel a pink, greenish pink sun. Exhale. Fully take a nice full inhale and imagine this greenish pink sun expanding and illuminating energy in the heart area. Letting go of the exhale, letting go of the breath, but keeping that soft greenish pink energy. This is where your emotional body resides, your desires. Nice full inhale, expanding that greenish pink sun. There you go. And exhale the breath, but keeping the energy of the heart. Letting your internal focus and awareness pass through the throat area, illuminating a tennis ball size of an orange colored vibrant energy as you move to the head. Moving to the head area, you imagine a beautiful, vibrant, yellow sun. The outer edges of the rays are golden orange. Exhaling the energy in your breath. Then a nice full inhale from your belly all the way through your body to your head to this yellow, beautiful, vibrant sun. Exhaling your breath, but keeping the energy of the vibrant sun in your head area. Another breath, full body breath. Feeling that vibrancy in your head and exhaling the breath, but keeping the energy of this vibrant yellow golden sun. At this moment, bring your awareness to all three energy centers, your head, your heart, your stomach. The yellow, the blue, merging with the stomach, with the heart, with the head. Nice full body breath. Exhaling the breath, but holding the energy of these three energy bodies. Now, expand your awareness to this golden white egg, the unity of these three bodies. Full inhale. Exhaling the breath, but holding the energy of unity of action, heart, and thought. This is the way of coherence. Again, another full inhale. Golden white light encircling your entire body. Exhaling your breath, but allowing the energy of coherence, action, heart, and thought. Closing this meditation, putting your hands over your heart. We'll end with the energy and the emotion of gratitude. Namaste.